Hello friends, my name is Kristianne from Kristiannes Crafty Adventures, and I am so honored to be a guest designer here at the Greeting Farm YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute, adorable summer tote with no SVGs, no dyes, and we will be using this amazing summer stamp called Pool Party from the Greeting Farm website. So that's what we're going to be using. Very basic, simple ingredients. All you need is paper, your scoreboard, and your amazing, super cute stamps that you're going to color and decorate. So let's get started. First thing we need to gather our ingredients. So you're going to need 2 sheets of 5 by 6. So this one is 6 inches in height and 5 inches in width. So that's what we need. We need 2 of that for the front and the back panel. We're going to need a handle, and this is 1.5 by 12, and we're going to cut it into 1.5 by 6. And then this one is a side panel, which is 12 by 3. So I've already pre-cut everything, and of course our stamped images right here. I've already pre-colored them with my Uhuhu markers, and this is what I'm going to put a link to this beautiful fun stamp. I'll put a link for you in the description so you can check it out. So let's get started with the assembly and the scoring first. So this is the 5 by 6 sheet of paper. At the 5-inch mark, which is this one, 5-inch mark, you're going to score at 1/2, like half an inch on both sides. Right there. At the 6-inch mark, you're going to score 2.5 and 3 1/4. So you're going to do that for both of your 5 by 6 pieces, which is this one. The next thing is, this is the handle, and this is your handle right here, and you're going to score it at 3/4 of an inch. At the 1.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 3/4, and then you're going to cut it at 6. Just like this. So this is what your handle looks like, and obviously you're gonna fold and burnish. You can put stitching if you want to, that's up to you, but this is what it's gonna look like. Always use your bone folder to condition your paper. Conditioning your paper means it's bendable. It makes it easier for you to bend and attach to your purse. So just like that, and then just train your paper. I love putting stitching on this one, so I'm probably gonna put stitching on this, but it's so much cuter, just like that. And do it for the other side as well, same thing as what you did. Okay, and then the next one is your side panel. This is the 12 by 3 inches. So at the 3-inch mark, you're going to score at half on both sides, which means it's 2.5, right? Just like that. And then you're going to score at half an inch, just like that. And then at the 12-inch mark, you're going to score at 4 inches. 1 and 4 inches on both sides, and this is going to be the side panel of your purse. So what you're going to do is you're going to score here. Do not burnish in the middle. That's going to be for later. So you're just going to do this. This is your reinforcement. Here, this is your reinforcement. So we're going to start assembly. Let me put this away. So here, this is the side panel of your purse, right? So this is how you're going to process this one. This one is going to be your reinforcement. So you're going to do that. Same as what we normally do for reinforcement. You cut your tab, create reinforcement, and attach it onto itself. Just like that. Okay, then this one you snip the other side as well. Okay, this is what you have so far, right? This one you're going to snip to create your tabs. Just like that. Do that for the other side. Create your tabs. So this is what it looks like, just like that. And then this one, this is where your score mark is. This is when you fold, just like that. This is when you fold, just like that. You're just training it to fold. So set that aside. And now we have our 5x6, okay? So at the score marks, you only don't burnish right here. That's just a mark for you, okay? This is where you're going to fold. This is the first and the second score mark. You fold at the second score mark. At this point, you decide which one would be the side that's going to show. If you want this side to show versus this side to show, it's up to you. So if you want this side to be showing, this is how you're going to fold it, just like that. This is what you're going to do, just like that. So you're going to notice there's score marks here because you're going to cut this. There's a score mark here. So from this score mark to this score mark, you're going to cut. Do the same thing for the other side. From one score mark to the next. And then you're going to use your corner rounder. And you're going to round it. And that's gonna be how it's gonna look. Okay. So from this, because this one is just reinforcement, okay? That's just to reinforce your base. And this is what it's gonna look like right here. And then do the same thing. And so these score marks are there to guide you on where to cut. So I'm going to put some stitching on this one, but it's not mandatory. I think it's just cute with the stitching, but it's up to you. But I'm gonna put stitching offline, and then we're gonna start assembling. Okay, so now I put stitching on our pieces. Now we're going to assemble it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to put adhesive right here, and then you're going to align it just like that. Okay, and this is what your bag looks like. You're going to do the same thing for the other side, just like that. You're going to align the score marks. There's score marks right here, and it coincides with the score marks right there, just so you're very symmetrical. So this is what you have so far. So you're going to put adhesive here, 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 and here to create your bag. Okay, and it depends on you how you want it super closed or you want it a little bit more open. I do like it a little bit more open because it gives more space to your purse. So what I do is I just put it right here, just like that. Then same for the other one. And this is where I put it. Gives a bigger, kind of wider opening, so it's easier to put your stuff. So just like that, and just like that. Look how cute. This is what your bag would look like, and this is your handle. We're going to train your handle. You just use a bone folder to train it. We're going to attach just like that. You glue it right here. Just glue it. And I would leave it alone for now and just glue the other side. Let it dry. And then now you attach this one to here. It's a little bit tough because it's a solid 2-layered paper, but you can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. Just like that. And make sure, don't let go. Don't let go. You can also use brads for this if you want to make it like super pretty. Just like that. Then do the same thing for the other side. All right, so now that it's all assembled, you have to identify which one you want to be the front. So this one is just an extra piece. I just drew this as like a wave, like a pool. just as a decor for your purse, because I want the girl to be swimming in the water. I want this cutie right here to swim in the water just like that. So we're going to peel it off. I used this super cute stamp set right here from the Greeting Farm called Pool Party. So cute. And then I colored them with my Ohuhu markers. And then I'm gonna have her floating just like that. Absolutely adorable. And then you can put your message right here. I'm not gonna put a sentiment right now because I don't know if it's for a birthday or, you know, I'm gonna leave that when I'm about to give the present. So it could be like happy summer, congratulations, it could be whatever, but I think this is absolutely adorable if you want to put like a sentiment here based on the gift, just like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, super quick tutorial on how to create this gift bag. And we also use this adorable stamp from Greeting Farm. Thank you, the Greeting Farm, for your invite. Thank you for having me as a guest designer in your YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And this is Kristianne signing off. Have a wonderful crafty day. Take care and have fun, guys. Bye.